Valuations on Nifty, I think at the broad large cap index level, it is not very, very steep. We are trading close to 20, 21 times, as I shared in the previous data, which is not significantly. But the concern is in the mid and small cap. And I think this is a very interesting data, right? So what this data refers is they've looked at the data from large cap, mid cap, small cap. Year-wise in the multiple year horizon, 2015, 2019, 2022, 2024, right? How does it change? So I'll just touch upon two interesting aspects. Large cap 2022, 35% of the large cap was trading at 50 times. The last 2 years, 34. Basically, the last 2 years, big rally happened in the market. This horizon is not got re-rated. Typically, large caps have a lot of high quality business from FMCG and IT. And I think few companies have a different high growth trajectory also, right? But the re-rating did not happen here. But if you see a very similar data in a mid cap, in 2022, 31% of the mid caps were above 50 PE, which has got rated to 39. Basically, another 8% more company become a very expensive zone, right? And it's even more interesting in small cap, where 2022, let's say first 30 to 50 PE multiple, there were 14% of the companies were traded at 30 to 50. Today, if you look at, this is 24%, right? So huge companies moved from the lower bucket to here. And a very similar data in 50 PE where only 18% of the company used to trade at 50 multiple and today 28, right? So if you put these two buckets, close to 20% more companies are trading at a very high valuation zone. I think this is what we want to be a little more practically approach it. At this point in time, having this data, right, it clearly reflects a lot of expectation has been built into this segment. And I think anyone allocating capital, I think being a little more balanced towards having a good exposure to large cap, having good exposure to multi-asset makes a lot of sense at this point in time.